Good evening to everybody. I am Arun Kumar, father of Nayan Sai, who is trying to attempt to break the record for cubes. He is being trained under Brain Studio by Mr. Srinivas and Mrs. Sujana. We are thankful for them for attempting this record. This record is seeing the cube through the mirror and breaking the record, and it was very difficult for a small child, because it's very difficult. When we drive, we know that what happens in the mirror is totally different to what actually is happening, but it's great efforts by the mentors and by my child. It was mastered and mentored in a very beautiful and a perfect synchronous way, and we are thankful for the International Book of Records for giving us the opportunity to make this record and become a memorable piece and a moment in our life.
He is Nayan Sai, my child, who is studying in Providence English Private School, Sharjah. We are very lucky that my child is the student of Brain Studio, which is run by Mr. Srinivas Garu. When he gave us the idea of solving the cube, looking into the mirror, it's a very difficult task. But with his mentor, Mr. Srinivas Garu's training and his confidence and his concentration made this task to be achieved by my son. By practicing it for 5 months, with always taking the ideas and suggestions of his mentor, 5 months per day twice, he tried to achieve this record by continuous efforts put by his mentor, Mr. Srinivas, and by the efforts by my son. He is able to done this record less than 1 minute by looking into the mirror. It is very difficult to solve the cube by looking into the mirror, as everything becomes reverse. The thing what he learned first to solve this cube is different, and to solve the cube by looking into the mirror is entirely different. I am very thankful to the International Book of Records as well as his mentors for giving this chance to my son to showcase his skills and to enjoy his talent.
I'm Simple Quatra. I'm Mrs. India 2014. By profession, I'm architect and interior designer. I'm keen in swimming, dancing. School authorities used to tell me like your skirt should be this much long, and I never used to like it, and I always used to fold it this much. Very simple, introvert and less confident girl suddenly turned into a very confident tomboyish girl. This prestigious sash which I'm wearing today and the crown which I'm wearing today is the second one. I was always keen to help people in whatever way I could. I'm very thankful to International Book of Records for acknowledging my efforts, my hard work, my achievements, and bestowing me with this great award of Apt Women Award. And it's a very good platform for all the women who want to show to the world what they are. Be the trailblazers, frame your own rules, keep inspiring and empowering women.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.